Picture the rolling hills of Darjeeling to the sun-drenched fields of chamomile. Tea has captivated the world for centuries, but one need not travel to distant lands to experience the joy of fresh, fragrant tea. Today, we embark on a journey to create our very own tea garden, a sanctuary of nature's bounty right outside our doorstep. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of herbs, discovering the secrets to cultivating and harvesting these botanical wonders. Together, we will transform our gardens into thriving havens of flavor, where each leaf and petal holds the promise of a soothing and invigorating cup of tea. Our journey begins with a flower that has long been cherished for its calming properties, chamomile. These cheerful, daisy-like blooms thrive in well-drained soil, a simple mixture of earth and compost that allows their delicate roots to flourish. Chamomile prefers the gentle warmth of the sun but can tolerate partial shade, a testament to its resilience. Watering, too, should be moderate. Allow the soil to dry slightly between waterings, ensuring the roots don't become waterlogged. Harvesting chamomile is a sensory delight. When the flowers are fully open, their white petals radiating outwards like sunbeams, gently pinch the flower heads just below the bloom. The air will fill with a sweet, apple-like aroma, a promise of the tranquil infusion to come. Dry the chamomile flowers in a warm, airy location, away from direct sunlight. Once dried, store them in airtight containers, preserving their delicate flavor and aroma. And so, with a little care and attention, our chamomile will reward us with its soothing embrace, a gentle reminder of nature's calming touch. Next, we welcome mint, a plant known for its invigorating aroma and refreshing taste. Mint is best planted in spring, after the last frost has kissed the ground. Choose a location with partial shade, as mint prefers a respite from the intense midday sun. Mint is a vigorous grower, its roots spreading with enthusiasm. To contain its growth, consider planting it in containers or raised beds. This will prevent it from taking over your garden, ensuring a harmonious balance among your herbs. Regular pruning will encourage bushier growth and a more abundant harvest. Simply pinch back the stems just above a set of leaves, encouraging the plant to branch out and produce more of those fragrant leaves we so desire. Harvest mint leaves just before you plan to use them for the freshest flavor. The leaves can be used fresh or dried and stored in airtight containers for later use. With its vibrant flavor and refreshing aroma, mint adds a touch of invigoration to our tea garden, a reminder that even in stillness, there is a vibrancy to life. Lemon balm, with its delicate lemon scent and invigorating flavor, is a welcome addition to our tea garden. This hardy perennial thrives in full sun to partial shade, adapting to a variety of conditions. Much like chamomile, lemon balm prefers well-drained soil. A light and airy mix, rich in organic matter, will provide the perfect foundation for this fragrant herb to flourish. Watering should be consistent, keeping the soil moist but not waterlogged. Lemon balm is relatively pest-free, but it's always wise to keep a watchful eye for any unwelcome visitors, gently deterring them if necessary. Harvest lemon balm leaves just before the plant flowers, when their flavor is at its peak. Cut the stems just above a pair of leaves, encouraging new growth and ensuring a continuous supply of this citrusy herb. Dried lemon balm leaves retain their flavor beautifully, making them a delightful addition to tea blends throughout the year. Store them in airtight containers, preserving their fragrance and essence. Our final stop takes us to the vibrant world of hibiscus, a plant known for its showy flowers and tart, refreshing flavor. Hibiscus thrives in warm climates and prefers a sunny location in the garden. When planting hibiscus, choose a spot with well-drained soil. Hibiscus is a thirsty plant and requires regular watering, especially during hot, dry periods. Mulching around the base of the plant can help retain moisture and keep the roots cool. Hibiscus flowers are at their peak of flavor when they are plump and brightly colored. To harvest, gently twist the flower from the stem, ensuring not to damage the plant. Remove the calyx, the green base of the flower, before using the petals for tea. Dried hibiscus flowers retain their vibrant color and tart flavor. Spread the petals on a clean surface to dry, then store them in airtight containers for future use. And so, with the addition of hibiscus, our tea garden transforms into a riot of color and flavor, a testament to the diversity and wonder of the natural world. And there you have it. With these tips, you can start your own tea garden and enjoy fresh, homemade herbal tea blends. From the soothing embrace of chamomile to the invigorating zest of mint, the possibilities are endless. As you embark on this journey of cultivation and creation, remember that each cup of tea is a celebration of nature's bounty, a moment of peace and connection with the world around us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips.